Hey guys, this is an instructional and informational video I'm putting together. I just finished installing one of these storage hatches in my boat. So I kind of wanted to make a video and walk someone through the idea that if they want to do the same thing. This is a product made by a company called Innovative Product Solutions. It's sold by this company right here called go2hmg.com. And here's what the system looks like. It's a lid and a tub. It comes in 3 different sizes. This is the 13 by 17. So to install this, you have to figure out on the boat where you want to put it. And then the most important thing I could recommend is creating a drop-in template. So you find on the boat where you want to put it, secure that down, take your router, route out the section, then you come back, the lid section drops in, and then the tub is designed to be removable and it drops in and out with these dovetails on it. Now, I'll take a second, I'll walk outside and I'll show you the finished product. So, here's the hatch inside the back of my Kenner. This Kenner has pretty limited storage on it, so I've been wanting to find a way to add some storage, and this seems like the best solution. This back casting deck has 2 separate pieces of structure, and so I went past that so I don't affect the strength of it any. So you can still stand back here. The website says this box here is rated up to 300 or 350 for standing pressure. So here's how this looks. This turns, pops open, stainless hinges, full swing back, and inside of it you've got a dry box. Now what's unique about this is that you can see it's got these drop-in dovetails on it. I'm going to set the camera down for a second and pop the tub out. Alright, so here's the tub. That's what it looks like without it. And so you can put things in this and take it inside the house or garage, or you can just leave it in the boat. And then to put it in, just drop this in, and it snaps down in there. Close that up. There you go. I got one for this side, and soon I'll install the one over there. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.